In this video, I'll show you a way to get a free domain for WordPress. So to do this, just open up a new tab and just gonna search for free domain. From here, you have a few sponsored websites. So this one is from 49 cents, and this one is from just 1 cent per year, and that's very cheap, but it's not free. If you're looking for a free one, you can check out a few of them, and I haven't really tried these ones down here, but for example, Freenom right here is pretty good. With Freenom, you can just enter the domain you want right here, and then you can check the availability, and you just need to change your DNS to this. Now you're not going to get the best domains, but you can get a free domain. Now I also recommend checking out Hostinger, which is very well known. So they also allow you to get a free domain, and that is for an entire year. Just enter the domain you want right here, for example Danny's, and click search. Now you can see this one is free for the first year, but it's only on a term, so then you will need to still pay that $17 upfront. But down here you have some that don't say that. So for example, this one here is also only for 2-year plus term, but this one is just free for your first year. So just find one of those that is free for your first year, and then just buy it and connect it to your WordPress, and then you will have gotten a free domain. So now you know how to get a free domain on WordPress. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.